Home prices in Singapore are up for the fifth straight quarter. Analysts we spoke with expect the upward trend to continue, though they say COVID-19 measures are affecting transaction volume for both the HDB resale and private property markets. Natasha Razak with the story.
Prices of HDB resale flats climbed 3% last quarter, matching their growth in the first 3 months of the year. But transactions dipped by about 7%, with just over 7,000 HDB flats changing hands between April and June.
Movement restrictions were tightened, and that resulted in fewer house viewings and lesser deals being closed. But buyer demand is still quite strong. More than 14,000 flats were sold in the first half of this year, and this is actually the highest first half-year sales since 2010.
Analysts we spoke with say demand is mostly driven by first-time homeowners who are turning to the resale market, with COVID-19 causing delays to the construction of built-to-order flats. There are also homeowners who are downsizing to an HDB unit, with the private residential market also booming.
Currently, I have about 3,000 square foot property. And I don't really need that. I had decided to sell my current private property, cash out, and repay the mortgage, and then buy a HDB resale flat.
Almost 8,500 private residential property transactions were recorded last quarter, a 4% jump. But the increase in prices slowed, climbing 0.8% compared to a 3.3% growth in the previous quarter. One analyst says it's partly caused by a drop in the number of new launches.
There is a strong increase in the resale market in the last quarter. So the resale volume increase sort of like compensate some of the drop in the new launches. If we look at the prices, the new sale market prices remain higher compared to the resale market. The average prices is about $500 per square foot difference compared to resale market.
Analysts say sales could be affected with Singapore returning to tighter COVID-19 restrictions for a month. Still, they expect prices for HDB resale units to rise by as much as 12% and up to 9% for private property this year.